Hi, it's Rich. Welcome to the Spot Car Room. Welcome to Raceday Sunday. Today, the Kraco Indy car. Bring it right here and we'll check this bad boy out. .440 narrow pan, new silicones. Pickups are pretty darn new. Gray hubs. Match the gray up here. Silver. Yeah, silver gray. Kraco number 18. It's got a sponsor there. I can look real quick here and see what it says. Can't tell. I have no idea what it says. No idea what that says. I'm going to get me an eye exam tomorrow, so hopefully in another week or so I'll have me a new pair of glasses so I can see better. I'm not sure that even says anything. It might just be some type of picture or something, diagram. But it's a pretty cool car. Let's put the bad boy in the dyno and see how she does. We'll look her up in the book and let me just get warmed up. While she's warming up, we'll take a look at it in the book. Right there, number 35. On page 43. And Indy Kraco, 87 to 89, 440 times 2, part number 8914, availability is a 4, number 35, yellow, blue, number 18 Kraco. It also came in 1988 in the middle of the run in a twin pack, 89, 84. Hold it at an angle a little bit, keeps that light off of it, so that's good. Yep, there you have it. 87 to 89. If you got in a twin pack, it's from 1988 only. Good. Let's oil her up, put some Novus on the body. Put some number 1 Novus on the body, shine her up, clean her up. Should hit a 3 once it's got a little more weight on it with the body. Polish up these pickup shoes. Guess we don't get no 3 today, folks. 98. Even gonna get a 99. I don't like that Viper I have. It's $3.99, but will not. Oh, we got a 3. That's a miracle. All right, I'll take that 3. Too nice. I will take that 3. Let's take this beauty over to the track and take her for a few laps on the old Whitewater Farm 65. She's a runner, all right. I could race this thing all day long, man. I love this car, man. This thing runs nice. Real nice. I love that. Handles great. 440 times 2. It's the Kraco Indy. There you have it, the Indy Kraco. Sweet looking car. 440 times 2 chassis. Hit 3 on the old dyno. I love it. Too nice. Yeah, she's a runner. She falls into the she's a runner category. Today is Sunday. I don't know if there's any racing on today. There's always something on. If you got a 2000 channel cable, I do not. I don't watch much TV anymore. Local news is about it. Every once in a while, some old shows, old westerns on Grit. But some people actually set their camera up in front of the TV and go live on YouTube. You can watch races on there. And actually pretty. Right now, my laptop is downloading and installing 24H2, Windows 11 24H2. That's the one that's been having all the problems, but it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since anybody said anything about it. So now it's automatically downloading it, so hopefully it'll be alright. My other 2 downstairs, my theater room PC and my desktop will not. Well, my desktop may, but my theater room won't because I put it on there myself. I downloaded the Windows 11 and opened it up in Notepad and deleted all the line items that when you go and you check Windows 11 whether your computer can run it or not, and it always tells you no, you're not compatible. I went in and deleted all those items out of it, so saved it onto a flash drive and stuck it in. I've done about 10 computers for people so far and put Windows 11 on their computers. But now, after what 2 or 3 years, whatever it's been there, last year they were whining and saying they were going to put a stop to it. No one's going to do that no more. We're going to stop you from doing that. And now all of a sudden, last week or 2, they came out and said anybody can have Windows 11 now. So that tells me they're getting ready for Windows 12. Yeah. So yeah, my picture looks like it keeps stuttering and stopping, so it's installing it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in and checking out this car. there'll be football on if there ain't no racing. There's something on, something somewhere going on in the world. There's some racing going on. So hopefully if that's what you're into, you can find it and watch it. And if not, football will be on. And you guys have an awesome week. Check in for Tuesday for Taco Tuesday. Yeah, I got a cool car. I'm getting ready to do that right now. But yep. Hope you guys like that car. Enjoy doing the video. And you guys have an awesome week. Appreciate you coming in. And yeah, please sign in to YouTube and give me a thumbs up and a comment. Appreciate your comments, requests if you have any requests. And put them on my list, which I don't have one. I don't have no requests right now. So you may be first on the list. Never know. And I appreciate you guys coming in. You guys have a great week. And later, everyone.